at R value 6 to R value 16. Now, I don't personally believe this gives you the full R value of that. Welcome back, Pack. This is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings. In this video, we're going to be answering the 5 most frequently asked questions of radiant barrier insulation. Now, if you have more questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer them. Let's get this started. Metal buildings need insulation, and which is recommended. So it depends on your use. If you're just trying to keep your building cool and fresh, we recommend the radiant barrier insulation, which is this one. Now, if you're trying to control like thermal temperature inside your building, we recommend fiberglass or spray foam, which we do offer. What is radiant barrier insulation? So radiant barrier insulation is a material used to reflect thermal energy and heat transfer. So what does that really mean? So it's basically the heat from the sun, we're reflecting it back. And it's basically mostly from this reflective foil material. It is commonly known as bubble wrap insulation and is very often offered in the tubular metal building industry. So to me, this is more of a radiant barrier combined with a vapor barrier. So this is made out of one layer of foil, or like a foil, reflective foil, and then encapsulated bubbles. We do use the white backing, which is a lot nicer when it comes down for, aesthetically pleasing for the inside. There is a metallic option, which I do not like. The R value provided by the product is from like R value 6 to R value 16. Now, I don't personally believe this gives you the full R value of that. If you're really looking for R value, my recommendation is more spray foam or fiberglass. And the third question that we get asked is, when is radiant barrier insulation recommended? If you're only using it for storage use and really just trying to keep your building fresh and a lot cooler than outside temperatures, that's when we recommend this, okay? What makes this super effective, especially in Texas, is that heat, that hot heat, sun, that radiant energy that's coming, is getting reflected by this foil material on the other side. So that is why this is very effective to keeping your building just fresh and cooler. And the fifth question is, what is the cost for radiant barrier insulation? So right now it's ranging from $1.50 to $1.85, and that's per square foot on the walls and the roof. Now it can vary, and it is more cost effective than spray foam, and in some situations, fiberglass. Stay tuned, guys. So we will be talking more about spray foam and fiberglass insulation as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a lot about radiant barrier, and we'll see you guys in the next video.